Let's get to some other stories now. We see the Central Bank of Nigeria has announced a reduction in the loan-to-deposit ratio for banks from 65% to 50% as part of its current monetary tightening strategy. This move, outlined in the statement, reflects the CBN's aim to align with a more contractionary policy stance. The adjustment in the LDR is a measure of a bank's liquidity and impacts the ability of the bank to extend credit to businesses and individuals from depositors' funds. By lowering the ratio, the CBN aims to moderate lending activities while promoting sound risk management practices within the banking sector. The Apex Bank says it will monitor compliance and adjust policies when necessary. Meanwhile, the governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Mr. Cardoso, has been reacting to the views that the regulator's intervention in the foreign exchange market is responsible for the depletion of the country's foreign reserve. Mr. Cardoso was speaking at the session of the ongoing IMF World Bank spring meetings in Washington, D.C., says the CBN is working on policies to support the market and ensure stability of the exchange rate. Take a listen.
What you see with respect to the shifts in our reserves is the shifts that you find in any country's reserve situation, where, for example, debts are due and certain payments need to be made. They are made because that is also part of keeping your credibility intact. And other times, money comes in and, takes it up again. And if you watch in the next couple of days, I think between yesterday and today, we had about 600 million US that came into the reserves account. So I wouldn't let people get too excited about this thing. All I will say is that we are looking towards ensuring that we have a market that operates on its own, willing buyer, willing seller, and price discovery. That's where we're going to. The shifts you've seen in our reserves has really, little or nothing to do with defending any Naira, and that's certainly not our objective.
Central Bank Governor there clarifying on matters there about the FX market.